right, good afternoon, 5th grade students and parents. Just making this video here to give you a little bit of an update on what's going on. So let me just move myself out of the way. So this is our weekly schedule. As you can see, on Thursday we have planned our Unit 1 assessment. So luckily this year our unit assessments are only about 12 questions long as opposed to like 30 in the past. So we're happy about that. Gives us more time to teach and less to test. So just to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing this week. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to be finishing up with division and practicing review. So the homework for tonight is going to be found obviously in the homework section. This is our Unit 1 review. So if we click on this document, we'll see what we're working on today. So what I've done was we have two versions of the test. So what I did was I took from the first version, question number 1, I gave what the correct answer was, what the incorrect answer was, and then some of my work to show how I thought about it. So for homework, what your student has to do is the problem underneath it. So the problem underneath is from the second form of the test. So this is what they're going to be doing for homework tonight, and then it's going to be similar in the future, or similar for Tuesday and Wednesday. So they're doing this problem tonight, but if they're stuck, they can scroll up and see how I did a similar problem. So on page 2, we have a division problem down here. If they get stuck, they can scroll up and see how I solved a similar problem. And then for page 3, they're doing this one here. If they get stuck, they get to scroll up and look at my work for a similar problem. So that's just 3 problems tonight. Tomorrow night will be another maybe 4 or 5 problems, and Wednesday will be the leftovers. So every night they're going to be doing a couple reviews for the test. Every time they'll have a sample work from me. A lot of these questions mimic exactly what they're going to see on Thursday. So if we can really prepare and practice these questions, we're going to put ourselves in the best possible chance to be successful on Thursday. Last note in terms of homework, there was a homework over the weekend that I think there was maybe some mixed message about, but that is still open to be completed tonight. That is a multiplication practice on iReady. I already talked to all the students in the class who need to make up that work, and they know what is due for homework tonight. So iReady should be completed. 37 of the students already did that. And for this homework that we're looking at right now, we are not writing on the document. All of our work and answers are going in our blue homework journal. And if we don't have our blue homework journal, they go on any piece of paper. Work and answers on any piece of paper, and then brought back to school. No work is actually being done online. All right, I hope that was helpful. Definitely make sure to email me, reach out if you have any questions. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll talk to you soon.